Hello friends and welcome to Jabra Filmy Fan. I am your host and dost Milan and today I am going to be reviewing the movie We. We is a Telugu language film starring Nani, Sudhir Babu, Aditi Rao Hydari and Nivetha Thomas. This movie is special because it is the 25th film of Nani, who is a very big star in the Telugu film industry. He's also actor, I think, in a couple of Tamil films too, but he's predominantly a big star down in the Telugu film industry. He is very popular for the simple reason of his choice of scripts. He chooses those scripts that, if I had to draw a parallel with the Hindi film industry, it would be Ayushmann Khurrana. So those are similar kind of script sensibilities that both these actors have. He has amazing comic timing. He is really good with that, and as I told you, his script choices are excellent. So We was a special film because it is his 25th film, and there are a lot of expectations from this movie. So did it all work out? We'll discuss this as the review goes along. Now the story is pretty simple. It starts off with a montage about a super cop played by Sudhir Babu, and this man, the way the montage is shown is like effectively ये एक आदमी काफी है क्राइम को हटाने के लिए, पूरी तरीके से, but that is the way most people are projected in our films. So no regrets over there. Sudhir Babu is a super cop, and he is he faces one of the most challenging cases of his career when a cop turns up dead, murdered brutally, and this cop is basically, on the forehead of the cop there is a clue that has been posted, and the clue points directly to Sudhir Babu. Basically what it says is that you know there is a challenge that 5 murders are going to be committed, and if Sudhir Babu can catch the killer before that, then he is indeed a super cop. But if he can't, then he has to surrender all his trophies, medals, and basically resign from the police force. That's what he needs to do if he can't catch the killer. So that sets the stage for a cat and mouse thriller. Now, on paper, it's a concept that is not entirely new. There have been a lot of films that have captured this entire angle of where a cop detective is trying to solve a case or catch a serial killer, right? Now what makes it different is that this is the first time that Nani has played the character of a serial killer. He's this brutal, ruthless killer, which obviously there is a motivation behind it, which I will not get into, but he is, he absolutely relishes playing this particular role. He is in his true form, in complete control of his element, and there are a lot of scenes which stand out, especially scenes which have his comic timing. Okay, so for his 25th film he definitely goes all out and gives a commendable performance. Now when it comes to the rest of the characters, that is Sudhir Babu, it's a pretty one-dimensional character. There's nothing much for the poor chap to do because throughout the film he maintains one or two expressions only. Again, I'm not saying it's his fault, but that could have been handled better by the director, who has made better films in the past, like Gentleman with the same actor, Nani. And the heroines have nothing much to do. One serves as the motivation for what has happens throughout the movie, and the other is supposed to be instrumental in helping the cop basically decode the clues that are being left by the killer. Now, they could have been better fleshed out characters, but that very seldom happens in our films, where everybody gets an equally fleshed out role. Now, the film rests on Nani and Sudhir Babu's shoulders, but as the movie progresses, you understand that it's Nani's show all the way, right? He is the person who you are eager to see on screen. When is he going to turn up? What is he going to do next? Is basically what keeps you invested in this movie. Now, for a cat and mouse thriller to work, what is very important is the plotting, how the screenplay progresses. Can you pack in enough twists and turns which feel organic, which doesn't feel के नाम के वास्ते बस twist और turn डाल दिया है? That is very important. Unfortunately, with V, what happens is it suffers from a weak script. Yeah, as I told you, this is a premise that has been seen many times in the past, in different films, and have been handled much better. So this definitely could have done with a stronger script. In the hands of a lesser actor, this would have completely fallen flat, but because this is Nani, he manages to keep our interest sustained. Having said that, is that the apt choice for his 25th film? I don't think so. I think he could have definitely chosen something better. Having said that, this movie is a decent one-time watch compared to most of the crap that we get to see on OTT platforms. This is definitely a one-time watch, and if you're in the mood for an investigative suspense thriller, then you can definitely give it a shot and tell me what you thought about it. You can let me know in the comments below whether you like the movie, and if there's also any other movie that you would like me to watch and review. Any language is fine. I love watching movies of any genre, any language. uh, Please don't recommend me those gunda type of movies जो मिथुन दा एक टाइम पे 90s पे करते थे, उसको छोड़ के if there's something really decent that you would like me to check out and watch and review, please do let me know. I'll be more than happy to do so. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and do let me know what I can do better. And I hope to see you guys next. Take care and stay safe.